Hi everyone, you are welcome to my channel. This is a video for you to create your phantom wallet for your TapSwap collection. Go to Play Store, type phantom wallet, click on install. When you are done, click on open. Once it opens, allow it to install in your phone. Then click on open, click on create a new wallet. Click on next. Okay, I've saved it. You see these 12 words, guide it as if you are guiding your life. Copy it, write it down somewhere in your diary or in your paper. When you are done, come back and click OK. I have saved it. Agree to the terms of the service. If you want, you can enable or not enable for notifications. And that's it. Your phantom wallet is created. Alright, so wait for the next video on how to link your phantom wallet with your TapSwap mining. Please subscribe to my channel, drop your comment. If you have any questions, I will answer. Alright, have a good day.